The depth of the river at this point is 1.6 metres, so one has to navigate with great expert care, and obviously high points are marked by red buoys.
Ladies, gentlemen and children, we are now approaching the 132-metre-high Loreley Rock. In a number of myths, songs and poems, the Loreley is described as if it were a mermaid. There is a large open-air stage on Loreley Rock, where concerts are often held during the summer months. The Loreley Information Centre is also located there. We will now play you the famous Loreley song, written by the great poet Heinrich Heine and set to music by Friedrich Silcher.
Damas y caballeros, queridos niños, nos aproximamos al Peñón de Loreley, con sus 132 metros de altura. En numerosas sagas, así como en...
That's the Loreley. Looks as though they've got a problem with our goods train. There's the Loreley disappearing around the corner. And over on the goods train I can hear an angle grinder, so they really have got a problem. That's the tunnel entrance to the train. Germany has the edge on car transporters.
I think it's this sort of trip is exactly what the Vikings would have done.
barge looks heavily laden. Don't think I'd like to be driving that one. Here's another one.
You can either have thing company. Oh my god, they're going to crash into some rocks. So
Sie ist in weiten Teilen vorzüglich erhalten. Hoch oben über der Stadt thront die Schönburg.
Along the riverbank. Here you will notice the eye-catching red-coloured building of the Church of Our Lady, with its slim and elaborately articulated spire. You can also make out the fortress enclosure from the Middle Ages. This has been preserved excellently for the most part. High above the town sits Schönburg Castle, parts of which have been rebuilt. Nowadays, there is a hotel in the castle.
Das kannst du nicht los. Wenn die jetzt sagen, von 5 bis 6 Knoten, dann sind das Runde 12 Kilometer pro Stunde. So, und das kannst du nicht los. Das sind kleine Hütten.
It looks like it's about to fall down.
Das auch von schön aus. Die Leute. So ein hohes ja. Leute, ja. Das ist immer noch da, wo es war.
There's some kind of current here. You see this? You see this current?
Sierra. Yeah. It's not a big deal. No. Oh.
Here we spy the castle in the middle of the river.
Yeah, like punches you in the face, please drive around.
Shoots us with air talking.